All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you guys for joining. Now, as you can see from the thumbnail, I believe that on any level, and I mean any level of football, any level of football that is extremely poor defended, you can see from the thumbnail, any level. We're going to go into that and also some details in regards to this USA and Jamaica game, because I'm going to show you guys some shocking stats. It's not a good look, and I'm really concerned about it. But anyways, guys, what I want you guys to do at this moment is smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button as well. If you feel the need to become a member, these are some of the things that members are privy to. They are privy to using the emojis in the chat. Yeah, the emojis in the chat. Also, become a member of the Reggae Boyz squad. I'm going to get into some details. I'm going to try to find. I'm looking for it, people. Oof. Looking for it. Looking for it. Good. So this year is the members Reggae Boyz top fan squad. It's growing nicely. So we have AJ Brown and Devon Hughes as the centre back pairing. Thomas Carter left back. We have the original Zilla at right back. In the midfield, we have Rolando Codner, big up. Jermaine Swaby up top, and Military Guna also. Both of them leading the line. So you can also become a member of the Reggae Boyz top fan squad. And also you could get the access to the Discord, the Reggae Boyz Discord chat, where you can have 24/7 discussion on the Reggae Boyz. So become a member through the Patreon. I dropped the Patreon link in the description of the video. It will also be in the comment section, both the Patreon and the membership link. So you can join either one of them. But that is not what we're here to talk about. We are here to talk about, let me show you guys, let me bring it up. This is what I'm here to talk about. No, people, I'm hopeful you guys can see the cursor. Look at this. I could say there's no leader in that back line. There's none. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Andre Blake. Let me count again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we have 10 players inside of our own 18-yard box. 10 players inside of our own 18-yard box trying to stop a cross from coming inside of the box. Trying, people, trying. No, everyone is ball watching. That circled area, every member in that circled area is ball watching. No, people, on no level of footballing knowledge, footballing IQ, none, I mean none, that is acceptable. Not even primary league. Not even standard primary league. I'm not seeing that in the JPL. I am not seeing that. Well, I don't even know. But people, that is below the level of professional football. Below. Very poor. There's no leader in this back line. No organization. No structure. Just vibes, it seems. Just vibes. It's not a good look. And we could beat the coach a lot, but I strongly believe that this highlight that the player himself has to take responsibility for some of what's happening. Yes, we could beat the coach that he didn't set them up properly, all those type of things. But I'm talking about what we're seeing right here. Players must take responsibility right here. We are all professionals in regards to playing football and understanding what football should be and how football should be played. But this year, this is Boza, as you can see the cursor with the white thing on his hand, and that is Damian Lowe over here rushing out. Someone is already covering the ball. There's no need for you to be rushing out at that point. What you should do is look around, observe your environment, and look and see how the team shape. Atrocious. Atrocious. People, in the comment section, tell me what you think. And whilst you're in the comment section, smash the like button. Smash the like button. And also hit the subscribe button. Remember, people, the target is 10K. That is the target. Now, let me move away from that. Now, looking forward to the USA game. Let's have a look forward to the USA game. I'm quite sure most of you know that we have faced the USA 3 times already this year. 3 times. Friendly, in an international friendly, we lost to them 4-1. In the Gold Cup, we lost to them 1-0. And in the World Cup qualifiers, the first game we lost to them again 2-0. Now, that's 3 games, people. 3 games. Not a good look. 0 win, 0 draw, 3 losses. We scored 1 goal in those 3 games. We conceded 7 in those 3 games. We had an average percentage of 33 ball possession, whilst USA had 77. Yes, people. Total shot, 23 we have in total over those 3 games. Then now, in comparison to the USA team, who had 57 shots. People, it doesn't matter what I say, this is not good. This is not good, people. On no level, this is good. Now, our entire World Cup hopes is now rest on us defeating this same USA team. This same team, you know. This is the same team now that our World Cup hopes is hanging in the balance for. The team that we cannot get the job done over. It's tough. It's tough, people. It's really, really tough. I'm praying that the boys can dig in and get a result. Even a scrappy. This is the only time I'm begging for a scrappy 1-0. I am begging, I am pleading for a scrappy 1-0. Bring back some hope. Give us something to hold on to. Give us something to hold on to. I'm scrapping for that one goal, people. That 1-0 win. This time, at some point in time, we have to defeat them. At some point, we can't just go in around just getting battering from the USA team. We need to get something done. People, I won't go any further. I definitely won't go any further. What I want you guys to do is smash the like button. Please, guys, smash the like button and hit that subscribe button. I would totally appreciate if you guys do so because it helps the channel to grow. And definitely, as I said, people, I'm aiming for 10K subscription. As I said, HBO, help a brother out, or aim for the sky, you might hit the clouds, but you gotta aim big. Let's go, people. Definitely, people, show some support. Definitely, it is much appreciated. Military Guna TV, people, and this has been a good one. I am out.